Surprising they bring this back. Thank you.
What?
The R68 be back.
Oh, you like R68?
Yeah, sometimes any I'm surprised they bring one back.
No, they have a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Other R68, they have a few 211s, but most of them are R68 and 68.
Yeah. R68 and R68A, yep. Still alive, thank goodness, still alive. Yeah. The D Transcendental D has a lot. Especially. Yeah. N and Q has a lot too, and the W has a lot. The NQ.
The N and the Q, they have a few, not too much.
Not too much, so.
The Delta and the Bravo has more.
Yeah. But I like the R211s and R68. Yeah, I like the R211s, R211A, R68, R68. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I believe so. Have a good day. Nice meeting you. Thank you.